Canton Fair is not just about showcasing products. It's about innovation, collaboration, and shaping the future of industries. At FHONK, we are proud to lead the way and share our vision with clients from all over the world.
Now we are bringing cutting-edge carbide to the global stage, crafted to meet the highest standards across industries.
Our carbide reversible lights are precision engineered with high precision.
Mark your calendars. We'll be at booth 10.1 K526, located at the China Import and Export Fair Complex in Guangzhou from October 15th to 19th, 2024. Come and discover how FHONK's carbide tools empower your business to new heights. See you there.